What's going on, guys? It's Nick from F-Body actually. Welcome back to another video on Project Lacquer Head. So today it's a big day because it's one step closer to putting that new 383 stroker in here. The car's getting subframe connectors, the Global Western tubular style. I got them actually sitting in the car. Yeah, they're you can probably see them, but they're right there. I'm gonna go meet up my friend. He's gonna weld them in. I'm gonna tell you right now, this car has new polyurethane bushings all throughout the car. Basically, I did the front subframe bushings about a month ago. I finally had time to do my subframe connectors. It should stiffen up this car. It should ride a lot better. And yeah, and it should handle better, and it shouldn't twist when I get off the line when I take this thing drag racing. But I'm gonna bring you guys back up when I get to Shawn, my buddy Shawn's, and we're gonna weld them in. I'm gonna tell you how I feel about them in the car when they're done. I'll catch you guys in. All right, well, let's do a little code start. You can see oil pressure build up. Alrighty. There's no choke on this thing. That's why I'm doing this. Yeah, it's up connected. Sounds good. They don't fit the best. On the back. Not at all. Solid mount with polyurethane mount going in it because the vibration out there does not RPM with it. That's it, man. Got this side basically done. Tucks up real nicely. Looking good. Solid mount going in there. Alright guys, so here it is welded into the car on the ground. It tucks up nicely. But it tucks up nicely. You do get the option of if you want to weld the fronts, and I did. But you get bolts right here you can drill through. I didn't want to do that. So here's a problem we're gonna run into really quick. So if I can get the camera up here, as you can see, you get a piece of metal sent with your subframe connectors. It was on both sides. The outside side of your subframe had a really nice tight gap on it. This side didn't. We had to fill it in and everything, which is no big deal at all. And it was like that on both sides. As you can see, that one also is tucked in very, very nicely. And that means we're getting ready to put my 383 stroker. Alright guys, so I put the subframe connectors in. The car is handling nicely. I fixed the vibration. I put a polyurethane mount on the transmission mount. So I had it solid in it. It had a bad vibration at 3,000 RPM, 60 miles an hour highway speed. I recommend putting these subframe connectors in, but your only problem is you're going to be fighting fitment issues on your rear frame rails. Which ain't a big deal. You can work around it. If you know how to weld, you can fill the gap in. And when I get home, I'm going to show you guys what it is underneath and everything. But yeah. Oh, that's fucking fun. That was a good one. Well, by the way, guys, I sat here and buffed the whole car out to see if the orange had any life in it, still in it. And I would say so, it does. It does. It's shining again. It is looking nice, actually. So very soon, this little 350 is coming out of here. My 383 will be in there. Can't wait for that. And yeah. So the Subframe connector is installed. No more vibrations. I got rid of that solid tranny mount. I don't know why I left it on there. I was probably just wanted to see if the car would drive and shift. But this thing drives like a dream now that it has stiffened up the chassis, and it turns a lot better. But again, that rear tire on the back isn't made for going through corners. This car's basically being built to be a really, really nice drag car. And make sure you guys like, subscribe, do whatever you guys do on the YouTube stuff. But next video, hopefully, we're ripping that 350 out. And oh, I don't know if I showed you guys this. Yes, they need to be recovered. But I found a set of 77 Type LT Camaro seats from my buddy Josh Six. He wanted my racing seats, so I gave that to him and gave me these because I wanted to be able to be comfortable in the car while I cruise around in it. And let's actually we'll look at them. Still, that's good. People are giving me a lot of crap. The car should have been on. Well, I didn't have a lift to do that on. I haven't had a problem with them. Let's see if I can show you guys the mount I went with. I think I can. Yeah, the polyurethane mount right there. And yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Just be on the lookout. See you guys then.